Hi everyone, it's Steelbook Steve. Going to do a Steelbook unboxing and review of my latest Steelbook acquisition, Marvel's Black Panther. So this one just came in the mail today. Really excited about this one here. This one comes to us from Zavvi. So here's the front. It almost looks like it's a metallic cover, not high gloss, but rather metallic. You got that quarter-inch steel. It's the 3D version. So again, this is coming to us from the UK. This is Zavvi. Let's see if I can get kind of a lot of glare there. It's 2 disc. It's the 3 disc version. That's why I opted for the Zavvi disc. There's multiple versions of this available, but I just wanted a 3D disc, and they're all basically the standard cover here that you're seeing. If you want the real true, like I guess you could say, collector's edition of this, you probably want to go with Blue Fans, but that one's really hard to get. So what we're seeing here is kind of an interesting cover art. I haven't seen anything like this where it almost looks like it's like, painted on or sketched on. There's no title anywhere on here. It is a metallic finish, but the inner parts of Black Panther are a high gloss finish. So it kind of gives it a nice little look to it. It's a bit simplistic. It reminds me kind of like a little bit of the Ant-Man release, the worldwide release not too long ago, where it was just basically a hard drive and a little Ant-Man here. This Black Panther here, it's interesting. I would have liked something more like this on the side, which is much cooler for the front. If you notice, this is like a textured black and silver pattern that you're seeing here on the spine. How cool would that have been on the front here with the Black Panther there to give it almost like a raised effect there. So on the spine here, this is probably the best looking spine I've ever seen, where it looks really cool. Look at that. Very, very cool spine. And I wish they would carry that over through the front and the back. The back looks really interesting as well. I mean, it's not a bad steelbook cover. It's like interpretive art sketched on there. I like the dynamic here of, again, Black Panther, metallic, and then you've got him in the center, which is all high gloss. So it's unique. It doesn't really carry along with the other Marvel releases. This is pretty unique in terms of the artwork. Yet it is worldwide. It's a worldwide release, so no matter where you get it, it'll be the same artwork. Again, with the exception, I think, of Blue Fans or HD Zeta. I think those are having their own releases. If you can get your hands on it, get those. So here are the discs. There's the Blu-ray, 3D Blu-ray, and then here's the internal art that we're seeing here. So there's Wakanda, and this is kind of cool. I like this one, this image here, because it shows all the major characters in the backdrop of Wakanda, which is kind of nice, and then Black Panther at the very top there. So I kind of like that image right there. All the major characters laid out for us here in a nice panoramic shot of Wakanda. So very nice, very cool. Overall, it's a pretty cool steelbook. I'm excited about it. And if something else that I can get my hands on that's more collectible comes along, I'll sure post that one. All right, thanks so much.